Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, states, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, the sun got eclipsed. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon went to the mosque, pronounced takbir standing, and the people drew up in a row behind him. After a long recitation, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam bowed down and observed a long bowing. Then, raising his head from bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana walakal hamd. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu listened to him who praised him, and all praise is due to you, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then stood upright and made a long recitation, but it was shorter than the previous one. Then, pronouncing Allahu Akbar, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam bowed down and observed it for a long time, but it was shorter than the previous bowing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then pronounced Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana walakal hamd, and then prostrated himself. In his report, Abu Tahir did not mention prostration. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then did the same in the second unit until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam completed 4 bowings and 4 prostration, and the sun had become bright before his finishing the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then delivered the sermon standing and glorified him as he Jalla Jalaluhu deserves. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the sun and the moon are 2 of the signs of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. They do not get eclipsed on account of someone's death or birth. Whenever you watch them eclipsed, come into the refuge of a prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, perform the prayer until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu rids you of it. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, during the standing of my this prayer, I have observed all what have been promised to you. I have even surely seen that I am picking the bunches in paradise. And it happened when you saw me moving ahead. And I had surely seen hell when you watched me retreating. And I have surely watched that one part of hell was shattering the other. In hell, I have also seen Amr bin Lohi, who was the first one to declare the eating of the camels nominated to idols forbidden. Abu Tahir's report ended at the point where he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to proceed towards the prayer. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2088.